This is West-MEC's Career Academy at Agua Fria. At Career Academy, we offer 4 hands-on programs that help Valley High School students gain a competitive edge by earning skills and industry-recognized certifications for careers right after graduation. Whether it's keeping the Valley cool in the air conditioning technology program, wiring up homes and businesses in electrical trade, keeping heavy equipment running in medium and heavy diesel, or securing strong foundations in welding, we're teaching tomorrow's in-demand careers now. So why wait? With 4 programs being added next year, you're sure to find a career or a new skill set that fits you. Follow your passion and get a jump start on your career by visiting our website and speak to a recruiter today.